Pumpkins. They're round, they're orange, and they bring a burst of color to the autumn landscape. As the leaves change and the air turns crisp, pumpkins become a symbol of the season. They mean fall is here. We use pumpkins for everything. Pumpkin pie is a delicious treat that brings families together around the table. The rich spiced aroma of a freshly baked pumpkin pie is simply irresistible. We carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween, turning them into glowing masterpieces that light up the night. It's a tradition that brings joy and creativity to households everywhere. Pumpkins are important for farmers too. Did you know that the United States grows over 1 billion pounds of pumpkins every year? These vibrant gourds are a significant crop supporting local economies and providing jobs. That's a lot of pumpkins. Have you ever wondered how pumpkins get from the farm to your doorstep? The journey is quite fascinating and involves a lot of hard work and dedication from farmers. It's a fascinating journey that relies on some amazing technology. From planting the seeds to harvesting the ripe pumpkins, every step is carefully managed to ensure the best quality. Modern farming techniques help farmers harvest and process these giant gourds efficiently. Advanced machinery allows for quicker and more effective harvesting, reducing the time and labor required. Heavy machinery plays a crucial role in this process, making it possible to handle the massive pumpkin production. From the field to the market, every pumpkin has a story, and it's one of hard work, innovation, and the magic of autumn. Harvesting pumpkins starts in the field, of course. Gone are the days of picking pumpkins one by one. Farmers now use specialized harvesting equipment. These machines are amazing. Imagine a giant vacuum cleaner, but for pumpkins. This amazing machine drives through the field, gently lifting the pumpkins from the vine. The pumpkins then travel up a conveyor belt. They are carefully deposited into a truck driving alongside. This process is much faster than traditional hand harvesting. Once the pumpkins are loaded onto trucks, they're off to the processing facility. Here the pumpkins are sorted by size and quality. Any damaged pumpkins are removed. Remember, only the best pumpkins will make it to your doorstep. Next, the pumpkins get a much-needed bath. Specialized washing machines use gentle brushes and water to remove dirt and debris. This cleaning process ensures that the pumpkins are ready for packaging and distribution. Section 4. Packaging pumpkins. Ready for your doorstep. After cleaning, the pumpkins are sorted again. This ensures that any remaining dirt or debris is removed, making them spotless and ready for the next step. The cleaning process is thorough, involving multiple stages to guarantee the highest quality. They are grouped by size and variety. This step is crucial as it determines the pumpkin's final destination. Smaller pumpkins might be destined for decorative purposes, while larger ones could be used for cooking or even competitions. Some pumpkins will be sent to supermarkets. Here, they will be displayed for customers to purchase, often becoming the centerpiece of autumn decorations or the main ingredient in seasonal recipes. Others will become delicious pumpkin puree. This puree can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and pies to lattes and baby food, showcasing the pumpkin's versatility. Large pumpkins might even be used for contests. These giant pumpkins are often the result of careful cultivation and can weigh hundreds of pounds, drawing crowds at fairs and agricultural shows. Packaging depends on the pumpkin's destination. Whether they are headed to a local market or a processing plant, each pumpkin is handled with care to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Some are carefully loaded into boxes. These boxes are designed to protect the pumpkins during transit, preventing any damage that could occur along the way. Others might be placed in individual bags. This method is often used for smaller pumpkins or those intended for direct sale to consumers, making them easy to carry and store. Finally, the pumpkins are loaded onto trucks. These trucks are equipped to handle large quantities, ensuring that the pumpkins reach their destinations efficiently and safely. They are ready for their final destination: grocery stores, restaurants, and maybe even your house. Whether you're planning to carve a jack-o'-lantern, cook a hearty meal, or simply enjoy the autumnal ambiance, these pumpkins are prepared to bring joy and flavor to your life. Section 5. The importance of heavy machinery in modern pumpkin farming. Modern farming techniques and heavy machinery have revolutionized pumpkin production. Remember that giant vacuum-like harvester? That machine can harvest pumpkins much faster than traditional methods. This allows farmers to manage larger crops. Technology also helps reduce waste. Sorting machines quickly identify and remove damaged pumpkins. This ensures that only the best pumpkins reach consumers. The efficiency of modern farming means that more people can enjoy pumpkins every year. Section 6. Conclusion. Technology and the future of pumpkin spice. From the field to the factory, heavy machinery plays a vital role in bringing pumpkins to our tables. These machines are not just about brute force, they represent the pinnacle of agricultural engineering. They ensure that each pumpkin is handled with care, minimizing damage and maximizing yield. The journey of a pumpkin from the farm to your kitchen is a marvel of modern technology. These amazing machines help farmers harvest, clean, and package pumpkins with incredible speed and efficiency. In the factory, automated systems take over, ensuring that each pumpkin is processed to perfection. From washing to sorting and finally packaging, every step is optimized for quality and speed. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the labor required, making pumpkin products more affordable for consumers. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovation in the world of pumpkin farming. Futuristic farming equipment and drone technology are already making waves, offering new ways to monitor crop health and optimize yields. These advancements promise to make farming more sustainable and efficient, ensuring that we can enjoy pumpkin spice treats for generations to come. So, the next time you carve a jack-o'-lantern or enjoy a slice of pumpkin pie, take a moment to appreciate the hard work of farmers and the incredible technology that made it all possible. It's a blend of tradition and innovation, where age-old farming practices meet cutting-edge technology, creating a future where pumpkin spice is always in season.